Hey, what's everybody? My name is Nava. You can call me Nava because I'm your best friend. And today we are going to be making water slime, or should I say testing. So I just watched a video about like how to make water slime, and I was like, this would be good for a YouTube video. So now here I am making one. So I have absolutely all the ingredients, and well, let's get to it. Okay guys, so for the ingredients, we're going to be needing 2 cups of water, which I got here. This is 1 cup. And then we're going to be needing half a cup of glue, half a cup. I just do it all the way up to the line side. And I'm using PVA craft glue. You guys can use, like, since it's going to be water slime, you guys can use clear glue, but obviously I don't have any clear glue, so I'm just using normal water glue here. So then after that, you're going to like mix it for a little bit, and then you're going to, like I said, like it actually said, like the person said, you're going to need a container, obviously, and 2 tablespoons of activator, and which I will make in the video. And this slime takes a while to set, so we are going to be making, so like obviously I will show you, and maybe we could, dye it if you want to. You don't have to. Half a cup of water. That's it. Now you don't want to add too much water, else you'll get too water again. I know it's called water slime, but remember, it's still slime. It's not water. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, I feel like just mixing it a little. Then it says to add half a cup of glue. So next, and then we're gonna pour it in. Yeah. There you go. I hate the noise. Okay. After that, you're gonna mix for a little bit. Now I can kind of see that it's really watery. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take out some water. Because you don't want too much water. So there you go, I just took out 3 teaspoons of water. This is what it looks like so far. You're mixing water. Sorry, I'm gonna take just like a little more out, cause I don't like my slime to be too much watery. Okay, so after that, you're gonna be putting 1 teaspoon of activator. Now, if you saw my, whoa, it's actually kind of turning into slime. Sorry. So if you saw my first video, I used Dazzle as my activator, and so will I use it in this video. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon, and sorry for the noise, my lips and stuff. And I'm gonna pour it into this little cup here. Then you're gonna fill the rest of the cup with water. Done. I'm gonna mix. Now, if yours has bubbles, you might just want to take out the bubbles because it's not good for the slime. So I suggest you take out the bubbles before putting it inside the slime. or else it will make your slime bubbly, and then your slime won't turn into slime. It will turn into some liquid or like this type of gloop. So anyway, next we're going to teaspoon side. So 2 teaspoons, but I might put 3. Okay, there you go. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is actually really cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I love how like the slime's like protecting itself like from the water. Oh my gosh, guys. I think this is gonna be like really cool. This is just amazing. Oh, cool. Whoa, cool. It's like so watery and it's not sticking like to the... Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, I'm just taking out the brown parts. Oh my gosh, it's like so watery, but that's like a good thing because it's supposed to be water slime. It's so watery. Dang. Okay, so then after that, I just don't want to wait. But sadly, we have to wait for 1 whole day. So, it looks like I'll see you guys. Oh yes, and let it... Well, yes, so we're going to have to wait for 1 day. So just leave it out. Put a lid on it for 1 day. See you guys in 1 day. Okay guys, so actually it hasn't been 1 day, but I just continue on mixing, just give it a little upgrade, but that's what you guys can do if you want to. I just gave it a little upgrade but continue on mixing it a little. And it started to come together, if you guys can see it. Look at that, it's completely clear, and if I just like drop it, the spoon is so clean. It's actually slime already and hasn't been 1 day. It's only been like 2 minutes. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay, but seriously guys, we do have to leave it for 1 minute because I'm starting to feel it and it's getting really sticky. So we are gonna have to leave it, let it set for at least 1 day. Bye. See you guys for real in 1 day. Okay guys, so I'm back and it is about like 9 o'clock at the moment. And I got a slime, so it's set it overnight, not on the fridge, it is normally set in my drawer. So it's right here. Okay guys, so it's really watery. Oh my gosh, I just poured a whole bag of... Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's like so white and it just drips down. I love that type of slime. Out. I'll pick it up and show you guys. Sorry that you can't see it on the camera. Okay, there we go. Come on. Okay, there we go. Done. Done. Okay, so I'll bring it out closer to me. Hopefully, guys, you can see it. But yeah, just fix the camera. There. Guys, I'll teach you guys how to make slime. well, actually, we'll test to see if the slime works. And in these weeks, I am gonna be buying lots of ingredients to make many other slimes, like fluffy slime, glitter slime, no glue slime, like with Vaseline, smelling slime, makeup slime, Okay, I think maybe I've had enough playing with this. It's getting too sticky. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that like in the face and please click the notification bell. Subscribe to this video and comment down below what you think of my water slime. Bye!